All right, here we go. All right, so I want to make you an offer.
Oh my goodness. What?
So the inhumanoids that you have there,
Oh my gosh. Oh.
for the big one and the small one, you got both those. Oh, for Chewy?
That's all right, I got it.
Sometimes they do. Yeah.
It's so breezy.
Yeah, no. What happens?
Looking at that.
Commonwealth Picker would love YouTube right now. All over that stuff.
So perfectly so do without lights.
Let me go in my wallet.
There we go. I got your hat.
No. That little fireman hat. That's
You don't want to fight? No? All right. Well, beggars can't be choosers.
Yeah, hey, it's a sign for Jaguar. You like old signs.
3 for $25.
What's that?
These are models for trains.
Oh, yeah, there you go.
Yeah.
Like, I've never heard of that brand.
No, me either.
This is not worth anything.
No.
But these might be.
At $10 a piece though? Ah.
Oh, yeah. No, $2 a piece.
Oh, $2 each.
Yeah, it's
Oh,
not
maybe.
that bad. It might be money in it.
We'll find out. 18.
A lot of two.
Is she worth it or not?
Oh, it's for
Oh, my daughter got it. Oh, okay. Did you go to Texas? No, my God, no, sorry. Sturgis stuff is hard to come by. And I had to travel a lot of miles to get there.
All right.
Hi, how are you doing?
Good. These are $2 each, right?
Yes. Yeah, we had good meaning to set up a little thing, but we never got around to
All right,
it.
there's 8 of them.
Okay. There we go. Make sure that don't have a hole in the bottom. We go, sir.
Thank
have
you.
a great day. Thank you so much for your business. I definitely got that one at Sturgis. That one, oh, we had a blast.
Yeah.
We really had a good time. It was wonderful. I'm getting you a bag.
Yeah. Ma'am, how much you have in this one?
That's 50.
50.
But I'll be open to negotiation on that.
Yeah.
My husband, when he passed, he had over 7,000 slot cards.
Oh, really?
So I'm in the process of.
Gotcha.
Okay. God bless you.
You too.
Have a great day. And those I'm negotiable to, the HOs and the 143s. I have every size slot car and every size track. And lots and lots.
Do you have like scale electrics at all?
I have so many.
Yeah.
I don't even know where to start. Every time I
Gotcha.
turn around, I find another box of slot cards in his closet. So, okay, I won't forget about that.
The newer ones.
I hope you get to go to Sturgis one day.
But if you ever see Fly, these Fly ones do really well. Are Scale Electric. Scale Electric was based in England only. The company is. So how much is this?
How much for that? It is?
Okay.
Oh, I didn't know.
Grab the wagon.
Okay.
Can you grab the wagon?
You were right.
Is 5
Half
okay
of
for
the one
that?
down there.
5?
I forgot about that. I've had it for a long time.
Take 3?
Yeah.
All right.
I don't even remember where I got it. It was probably big.
Didn't even know you had it, so that's free money in your pocket.
Pretty much.
I've sold Disney snow globes in the past. They've done really well. I thought this one was going to be more valuable than what it was, but I'll still get about 10 or 15 bucks for it.
That's cool.
Yeah, $3.
That's my daughter's money.
Any other Disney stuff like that?
We have some Disney coffee mugs in there.
Oh,
like
how much is that shirt there, the King Kong?
I have quarters. No, that I asked her.
Skirt? Okay.
Yeah, I'm sorry. Hold on.
No,
one
you're
second.
okay.
$2.
Can I see it?
Have a wonderful day, okay?
Thank you. King Kong Skull Island. I'll give you $2 for it.
Okay. Do you guys want a bag for yourself?
I got it.
Okay.
I got a wagon.
You got a wagon, it's even better, huh?
Yeah.
I'll take it. Try my best to keep this organized.
Yeah, no problem. Let me see if you have any other shirts here. Hold on. You got more shirts? You pulling out more Disney shirts and stuff like that? And Universal? Okay. All the shirts $2, or are they all different prices?
Yeah.
All right.
Here's a girl's Disney.
No, that one I'll pass on. Sorry.
It might look good on you, though.
Yeah, well, you never know. Might show off a little skin, but may give me better deals. Yeah, that's right. I always like to pick up Universal Studios or Disney Park shirts when I'm out and about. I should get about 10 bucks a piece for these. I plan on doing a big whatnot in the future with all just shirts. How much are the jackets? How much?
It depends.
The Columbia? 4 on this one?
Gotta put your dollar back in the bag.
How much is this jacket, ma'am? 10 for that?
Yeah, because it's heavy duty. It actually comes, I think that comes out.
Yeah, I think it is.
Yeah.
Comp's around 30 bucks this jacket, so I decided to pass at 10 bucks. What's over here? What do you got?
Oh, yeah, military. Oh, I got more hats down there.
Chicago Bulls.
Yeah, you got lots of hats.
Yeah, I got hats.
How much you asking for the hats?
$5.
$5?
$5.
Ooh.
Yeah, and I only have a couple. There's 4 more down there. That's 6 left. That's it. I had like 12 of them.
How much are the shirts?
Oh, these are Trump. These are like $25 shirts, and these are 30. I can't sell them here. That's why I put them there.
Now that I sell them here?
I can sell them.
Oh,
but
no one wants to
people
buy
don't
them.
wanna pay
Gotcha.
the money for it.
Gotcha.
Can't do that.
Is this Adidas one? Is this?
Oh, Jesus. Oh, I'm sorry, honey.
What is that one?
No,
Is that?
that is a Trump.
Oh, it's a Trump one. Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's okay.
Well, I have. What size are you? Look at this shirt.
He's a child's medium.
Where?
That's his size. Child's
medium. It's like show off my man muscles. She's literally getting me a medium shirt. Thanks, buddy.
Look, with a hoodie. Come
Yeah.
with me with a hoodie.
That's cool. Yeah, I'll pass on that. Thank you, though.
Okay, how much is this guy?
Oh, I'm not selling those. I'm putting them. I don't know. I haven't looked them up.
Well, listen, everyone has a price.
I'm telling you, I don't know. Hey, help me with the toys.
Hey, I see
The toys. Ugh.
the Ninja Turtle stuff right there. Is that for
I
sale?
put that away. That's the blimp.
Yeah.
Keeping it.
You're keeping it?
Oh,
You're holding all the good stuff.
Yeah, it's Ghostbusters. Let me see that.
God, Ghostbusters. I think that goes with this.
Let me see.
Doesn't that go with this? These are vintage. These are expensive toys. I can't just give them away.
Okay.
No, we get your rod.
We have money.
He collects Ghostbusters.
Well,
We have money in our pockets. We're not- we're not-
Who invited you?
What's up, man? What's up, buddy?
You just making the rounds around the store?
It's what I do. I'm on tour.
You brought him with you too?
Yeah.
Yeah, he brought me.
It's my buddy Dave. What's up? No, they're actually 2 separate pieces, but they're both Ninja Turtles.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah,
I don't know what that is.
I have no. Oh my God! What the hell?
No, first time, man. No idea.
Taking it all
Yeah.
out.
There, told me.
I have no
Yeah, I
idea.
think
I
that's
just
what
got
doesn't
this
get,
out of
like,
storage.
cross-contaminated.
Look at that badass shit.
Oh, good luck.
Yeah, man. Thank you.
Yeah, I don't even want to sell it. I keep putting everything back in my van.
So is the blimp for sale or not for sale?
We got. Look it up online, please, because it is for sale for the right price. This is badass. I was gonna actually keep it.
Right. I had this as a child.
Did you really?
Yeah, I had this exact one. I saw
Can
actually.
you look it up?
Yeah, I'll look it up.
You get holes in it too.
Yeah, that's what I gotta.
You know what?
Well, I'm not blowing it up, that's for sure.
Oh.
So this is actually incomplete. This is supposed to have bombs on it that drops bombs. So when you pull the trigger, the bombs will fall off and drop.
Well, maybe that's what the bombs are.
Is there
What is
Yeah.
these?
That's not it. They look at bomb.
What's that?
Hey Dave, do me a favor, man. Can you blow this up to make sure it works?
Nope.
Are you sure?
Yeah, not everybody's in that bin.
No, but I don't even know. You gotta look.
So
it up
I
online.
did look it up online. It goes for about 90 bucks if it's fully complete, and this does blow up
Yeah.
and not dry. I'm assuming with how it was in there, it might be dry rotted.
If it was my dad's, I got it out of a storage.
Someone
That
paid
was
someone
something else.
paid $5 for it back in the day.
$5.
No, that's someone. No, I said no. I said someone paid for it. That's ahead of price.
I'd rather just. Yeah.
No, I'm not saying I'm paying for it.
Yeah,
I'm
I
saying
get what you're saying,
someone.
but
No, it was
yeah.
written on it.
Well, offer me something nice.
Yeah.
Because I'm trying to make the mortgage here.
They're like
First
like,
like 10.
yeah, they're $10
You
pieces.
said you collect Ghostbusters or
Yeah.
Turtles? It's
Yeah,
Ghostbusters,
yeah.
right? That's why.
I actually, yeah. So this is actually from 1984.
These
This
are like 10 apiece.
yeah. So
I'm
the
a toy collector too.
so they actually
Yeah.
this is supposed to actually have little
It has them in there.
has a little
Yeah, they're just disgusting.
Yeah, okay,
But
gotcha.
no, you could clean them. They're not that.
they're styrofoam pieces. I don't know.
I'm pretty sure I know what you're talking about.
Yeah,
Is it these or no? Maybe it's not these.
yeah. No, it's not that. How about $30?
No, that's
No.
way.
What would you want then? This is missing the pieces to it. This is missing all the pieces to it as well. This is supposed to have all the styrofoam pieces to shoot.
I might have this.
Yeah.
Are you sure this stuff?
They're little.
Did you
No,
look in this
they're
box?
they're little.
What does this go to?
That I have no idea. They're little styrofoam pieces that you stick in. They look.
Always get lost.
Oh,
Yeah, they're not in
what,
there.
All that stuff in your hand,
Yeah, because this is missing all the bombs.
and that thing on the side goes with.
Which I'm not. That's this. These two pieces go together.
I know, but those.
Those are the two action figures.
I know,
from
but those
Ghostbusters.
are. They're Ghostbusters.
Yeah, they go anywhere from
and
like $5 to $10
Columbia.
online. They're missing the
God.
backs.
What are you trying to give me?
I said I was gonna give you $30 for it all.
Okay.
Okay. All right.
But not this, right?
I was gonna for all that. I would say $30.
This too?
Yes, ma'am.
Oh, I don't know if I can. Then give me 10 more.
How about I split the difference? 35.
Oh my God,
You're gonna
I
make all your
can't
money on
believe.
this
All right, here, just
Okay.
get it.
$250.
See, I told you, and that's
You have a good eye.
a bunch of
He
money.
gave you some good knowledge.
That's
there.
good info. I'm giving you the good info. It's called Inhumanoid.
Yeah, humanoids. I
In-
tell you, you should see in my room. I'm a 60-year-old collector.
You got 15.
No,
No.
you got a good
He gave
deal.
you some good information.
I
You
know.
give him some good deals.
I know.
Yeah, I'm helping
They're
you
getting
help
good
out.
deals. They know they're getting good deals. I
I
don't
think
know what
this
the hell
one-
came.
Thank you, ma'am. I appreciate you working with us.
This one's
Yeah,
like 40 to
cheers.
50.
Watch this.
One sec. Let me just show you the count first.
No, I believe you.
Put them wrong, Rob.
Well, you're mostly wrong. So.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. So this is the guy, right? Isn't that him?
No, looks like him. 325.
14-inch figure. So let's just go to the actives here. 295.
325. Okay. There we go.
It's not bad.
All right, here we go.
He's gonna go for it.
This is gonna be great.
He's gonna say no. But I want to see it.
I'm still not on top.
All right, so I want to make you an offer.
Oh my goodness. Boy.
So the Inhumanoids that you have there,
Oh my God. Oh.
for the big one and the small one, you got both those. $150 cash. Right here, cash.
Oh my God, you're killing
Cash
me.
money,
The one
that's-
that I
You told me you need to
Oh,
pay.
he wants both of
I want both of them, the big one and the small one. And you, this one and then the big one, I'll give you $150 for the pair. You told me you had to pay your mortgage.
That one is worth a lot more money.
It's worth about $50.
Oh man, give me 200.
All right, I can't do
This
200. I'm buying in the resale,
Oh my
so
God.
$150.
Jesus.
She's
Get
going
the
for it.
hell out of
Nice.
Get the hell out.
You're awesome.
No,
Thank
just
you
made
so
a
much.
bunch of
Thank you.
freaking money. Get out of here.
All right, thank you.
Thank you.
Shit. I'm gonna find you guys when I can set up You're gonna buy me a drink.
All right. I paid you $150.
Oh my God, you got a deal.
Oh, this is cool.
Yeah.
I know.
Pinball machine?
I asked him about it, but
Let's talk about this pickup here. I took my dad pop-up punching with me. We went to the Brown's Junk in the Trunk. It's a once a month big flea market they do. And I met up with ADH Dave and his dad. Me and Dave absolutely love 80s and 90s toys. It's one of our favorite things to buy. I'm a huge Ninja Turtle fan. I have a Ninja Turtle collection and I have a Ghostbuster collection. Me and Dave both didn't know what these humanoid figures were, but Dave saw them and Dave has a good eye when it comes to toys. It was weird. This lady didn't want to sell anything. So every time we kept pulling stuff out, taking it from us and putting it inside of her van. I think part of the reason was she didn't know the value of the stuff. Now I did make an offer for the Ninja Turtle blimp and base. Now, if it's fully complete with the bombs and the wing parts to it, it can go for like, I don't know, 90, 100 bucks, maybe a little bit more if it's in mint condition. It's missing it had writing on it. It was missing all the bombs to it. I don't know if that blimp is actually gonna even blow up, and I'm definitely not putting my mouth on that thing to blow it up. So I'll have to try to find a pump or something to try it out. I think what I may end up doing is piecing it out to maximize my money on that thing. So Dave looked it up for it, let her know what the price was. As we were walking away, I kept telling Dave, go back and buy it, go back and buy it. And he didn't want to go back and make an offer on it. I think he's running a little low on money at the time. I offered to give him the money to go buy it, but he decided not to. So I decided to make a play on it. I knew if I made a strong offer to her that she would probably sell it to me. Dave didn't think she was gonna sell it to me. Comps to that figure were kind of over the place, between $250 and $300. And Dave said the small figure was going about 50 bucks. So I walked up with $150. I thought it was a very strong offer. I thought that, I could get at least $300 to $350 for both figures. I'm okay paying up for bigger items if the profit is there. So I don't mind putting out $100, $150 to make $100, $150. That's okay with me, especially if it's a really cool item and this had a high sell-through rate. The ones listed on eBay right now have like 32 watches on it. So I know this was a very sought after toy, so I don't mind paying up for it because I don't expect it to sit in my store very long. I walked up, she started putting her hands on top of her head. After I made the deal, she told me, now get the hell out of there, which I thought was hilarious. The best part is, as we were walking away, she kept cursing and saying crap and damn, and then told me that when she sees us, she's gonna make me buy her a drink and like all this random stuff. And then the vendor next to her was the best part at the very end. I don't know if you guys can hear in the video, but he said, thanks guys, now I gotta listen to her complain about this all day long. But I mean, in all good and fun, man, she was really cool. I appreciate her for giving us the deals. I always find it weird when vendors bring stuff to the flea market and decide they don't want to sell it. She kind of was like all over the place with stuff, but at the end of the day, we made a deal, so I'm happy. So if she does see this video, thank you very much for your purchase. I had a blast picking with Dave and his dad and my dad. I know Dave is sitting at home editing his video, regretting that he didn't buy this figure. On Friday, that's Friday the 12th, which is today, we are going live on Whatnot at 6 p.m. We are clearing out part of our storage unit, so please come check us out. We're gonna have some crazy deals and we're giving away a Nintendo Wii. And we have special limited edition Picking and Punching stickers right here. We'll have those in our store for $3. This is the last run of these that we do have, and you guys can only get those on Whatnot. So I hope to see you guys all here, and as always, until next time, make sure you guys keep picking and punching.